What's going on, guys? Guess what bike I'm on today? Emilio's R1. New exhaust, just put a Kaufman exhaust on it. He's gonna run my bike because I feel like there's some shit going on with it. So join me on this adventure, guys. I think it's a 2007 Yamaha R1, the Yamaha blue. He just got his tank powder coated, I think it's called mirror black or polished black. Damn, this thing is crazy. I'm going 40 in first gear, what the hell? It doesn't even sound like it's struggling. I guess I'll do kind of a review on it. I mean, why the hell not? I'm on it, right? So, the bike's at 205 degrees, and I feel a lot of heat coming onto my knees, which I'm not really used to, and I'm not used to having, these mirrors. I haven't had mine for months. Wow, that's actually really hot. I wonder if it's just his bike. Wow, this bike is nimble. Wow, that's crazy. Very nimble. I feel like it's honestly more comfy than my R6. Not even gonna lie. God, this steering stabilizer though is straight amazing. Like, wow. I haven't even hit second gear yet being on this. Wow. I'm kind of sketched. Wow. That's so nice. Not having to like constantly shift. Like, it's crazy the difference in power. Wow. That's power. Oh my god. But that steering stabilizer, that thing is amazing. I have to get a steering stabilizer. Holy cow. That is crazy. Oh my god. That's seriously amazing. Throttle response is really nice. I actually love the throttle response on this. It's way different than my bike. Okay, if you guys have not ridden on a leader bike, you need to ride a leader bike. This is absolutely insane. It's hard to say, man. I feel like I'm lost for words. I cannot tell you how nice it is to not have to constantly shift. Like that is Like, that is huge for me. I remember when I first started on my 300, or sorry, my 250, and I had to constantly shift. My hands would get so tired. Like, you barely even have to, like, look. You barely even have to roll the throttle on this, and you're like, you're absolutely golden. Yeah, no, it's okay, Kia Optima. Wow, that's crazy, dude. The power's fucking awesome. Brakes are nice. I don't even think you really need to use engine braking. Like, with the power of the brakes, you don't need engine braking. I love how big the gas tank is though, because I feel like you have more clearance, more cover, I should say. It's a lot easier to tuck in when wind's hitting you. It's a lot easier to feel comfortable, I guess. But it feels so weird with a steering stabilizer, like, holy shit. It feels heavy at slow speeds. But honestly, when you're going like 40, 50, like, it feels weightless. That's nice, bro.
Don't think you could go back to a 600 now, huh? Because now I can.
Yeah, that's not fun for you anymore, huh?
It's not torquey enough.
It was so nice to not have to shift.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't even go into third once.
40, I had to shift 40
Yeah.
times.
I only had to shift, I only went into second one time, or third one time. When we hit the freeway. Other than that, I didn't hit third.
Yeah.
That steering stabilizer is something to get used to though, that's crazy.
I'm so used to it now.
It's not.
You saw me wobbling the bike. If you get speed shakes doing 100 or even 70.
Oh yeah, you're screwed, bro.
Fucked. Even getting the cheap one is $100. It makes a whole bunch of difference.